This is a property of Fannie Mae Home Path, live in San Isidro, and urbanization near the beaches of Loiza. The property in question has 374 sq/mt of total area and 1189 sq/ft of constructed area. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living/dining room, kitchen, laundry room, large backyard, surrounded by small green areas both front and side and 1 parking. Close to PR 188, pharmacies, bakeries and others. Details and restrictions apply. Please call our offices for more details. Thanks. We may co-broke. Lot 18.394809, long, -65.880164. For more information on the property, contact us at 787-283-7573 and look at our alternatives in Canovanas and